Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue that there was a problem refreshing your PC, no changes were made. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with a command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC followed by a space /scannow. Scannow should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. And hopefully that should have resolved the problem. If you are still having an issue, something else you can try would be to open up the search menu, type in restore. Best result should come back or create a restore point. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system restore button. Select next. If you had any system restore points on your computer, go ahead and select the most recently created one and then select next. Select finish, and then we're going to initiate our system restore. It cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? So make sure you saved and closed out of any open programs and applications before you select yes. And once you've confirmed that, go ahead and select the yes button. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. And there you go, guys. It says the system has been restored successfully. Go ahead and select close. And that should be about it. So hopefully it was a pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.